guys, in this tutorial we will discuss how we can add Google Recaptcha on our contact form 7. So here you can see we already installed a contact form 7 in our website. So you can see the contact form 7 has been installed already. So first of all we need to create a form. So let's go to add new option and create a form first. Contact form. Okay, so as a default you can see your name, your email, subject, and text area for your messages. Okay, so we can use this default contact form. Let's save it first. So now we can copy this short code, okay, and go to the pages, or you can create a new page for contact form. Okay, let's create a new page, contact page. Okay, and we can add this short code in this WordPress editor, or we can add this short code to the PHP file. So in that case there is a function called echo do short code. So as of now we just add this code into our WordPress editor. So now publish. Okay, so let's view this page. Okay, you can see the contact form is appeared into the new contact us page. So this is our contact us page, and here you can see contact form. So now we're going to add Google Recaptcha. So how we can add this? As we are using contact form 7 plugin, so if you go through the plugin settings, I mean the contact in this section, you can see the settings for integration. Okay, integration. So here you can see a couple of options like as Recaptcha, but this Recaptcha is something for Recaptcha v3, but we need to add v2. So how we can add this? So in that case we need to add another plugin. It looks like add-ons for contact form 7, so we need to add that plugin actually first. So let's go to plugin and click on add new and search here Recaptcha v2 contact form 7. So this is the plugin Recaptcha v2 for contact form 7. Okay, let's install this plugin first. Okay, so now it's installed. Okay, looks like it's installed. Okay, so go to the contact option again. You can see the option at bottom called Recaptcha version. Okay, so you can click this one. So once you click on this, you can see this option, select Google Recaptcha. So this should be for Recaptcha version v2. Okay, and this is for Google, and just submit. Okay, now we need to create a Google Recaptcha API key. So go to the Google and type Google Recaptcha. Okay, so click on this option, go to v3 admin console, and this is our website URL. Just need to copy this URL, copy, and click on plus symbol. Need to paste the URL, need to remove the prefix like this, So just copy again and should be selected for reCAPTCHA v2. Okay, I am not robot checkbox, and again need to add our domain name here. Just copy and paste. We need to exit the reCAPTCHA terms of service and just submit. Okay, so here you can see two keys. One is for site key and another is for secret key. So just copy this first one, copy secret key, and go to your contact form 7 integration area. Okay, just click on setup integration. Okay, paste the first one. We need to paste first one site key. So this is our site key and this is for secret key. Just copy, okay, and paste over there and just save the changes. Okay, so now go to your contact form that we are created. Okay, so this one contact form, just click on edit option. So we need to add the short code like this. Into the third bracket just type reCAPTCHA. Okay, so just save the form. So form has been saved. Okay, let's go to contact page and reload this page. Okay, now you can see Google Recaptcha has been appeared in the contact us page. So like this way we can easily add Google Recaptcha on our website using contact form 7 plugin. That's it. Thank you.